Hello, so guys, we're going to talk about evaluating expressions in this video. So we looked at expressions when you have variables and numbers and all of that, but what if we know what the value of the variable is, right? Variables are letters that we use to represent a number we don't know, but what if we know it? We can evaluate the expression. So let's look here. Here I have -2 absolute value of h plus 6. This expression has a value depending on what h is. Okay, so now they're asking me if h is -15, what is the value going to be? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to rewrite the expression, but instead of h, in its place, I'm going to put -15. Okay? And then I have plus 6. And then I'm going to do what I have on the inside. I want to do GEMDAS. I have -15 plus 6. That's going to give me -9. And then I need the absolute value of -9. The absolute value of -9 is just 9. Remember, there's -2 times the absolute value of -9. That means my expression is -18. So here, when h is -15, the value of the expression is when h is -15, the value of the expression is -18. What if h had been something different? What if h was 3? Let's see what happens. So I'll take the expression again. So let's put 3 in its place. So I have 3 plus 6. The inside of the absolute value becomes 9. And then the absolute value of 9 is 9. -2 times 9 is -18. So when h is 3, it's also -18. I can, depending on what value I put, I can figure out how much the expression is worth. Here it's telling me I have when x is -2/3. So whenever I see an x, I'm going to put that in. So I have an x here, I have an x here. And something that helps, we can put parentheses where we have our x. So I have negative, I'm going to put parentheses for my x, plus 3, parentheses, -2. Okay, let's put what my value is. It's -2/3. Okay, let's figure out what we have to do first. So I'll write my GEMDAS. I don't have any grouping symbols that I have to resolve, but I have exponents. I have exponents right here. So I need to figure out what this is. Well, I can use my calculator. Watch how cool this is. I'm going to put in parentheses -2/3. Close it off, squared. Now this button here is going to make it a fraction, which is what I need. 4/9. So I'm going to put negative. I figured out what this is. That's 4/9. Did my exponents. Now I need to do multiplication. I have multiplication right here. 3 times -2/3. If you need some help, you don't know how to do that, we can use our calculator. Let's see, 3 times -2/3. Let me make sure I put that correctly. That's -2. So I have plus -2 minus 2. Now all I have to do is figure out what all of this is. I have -4/9 plus -2 minus 2. If you need help doing that, we can also put that in the calculator. So let's see, -4/9 plus -2 minus 2. Let's see what that is as a fraction. -40/9. So that's the value of the expression. This was when x was -2/3. Don't be scared of fractions, remember. You have a tool to help you with it. Okay, here I have 3 different variables I have to put in. So I have my a, I have my b, and I have my c. So I'm going to start off by doing is substituting everything. So my a is 8. My c is -4. My b is 16. And I have +9. Okay. Let's see. To start us off, do I have any groups? Yeah. With GEMDAS. My groups. Let's figure out what this is. Let's figure out what this is. A cube root. Let me show you how you get that in Desmos. You can open this keypad. You can click Functions. You can go all the way down. And then you have this. You're going to put a little 3 there. We can put 8. The answer is 2. That's because 2 times 2 times 2 gives me 8. So now I know that this is 2. And then I still have to figure out what the square root of 16 is. It's 4. If you don't know that, we can put it in our calculator. 4. Okay, so we did our grouping symbols. No exponents. What's next? We have to do all of our multiplication. We have multiplication right here. And we have multiplication right here. So let's see, bring everything down. We have 2 plus 5 times 2. That's 10. Minus -4 times 4. That's -16 plus 9. Okay, let's put all this together. 2 plus 10. 12 minus -16. That's 28. Plus 9 is going to give us 37. If you need to use a calculator, we can put it all in. 2 plus 10 minus -16 plus 9, 37.